If you're searching for a Google Cybersecurity Certificate review, you're probably wondering if it's worth taking in 2026. The answer is yes. It's one of the best beginner-friendly cybersecurity certificates available today. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you a discount on the Coursera Plus annual plan, which is currently 40% off for a limited time. The Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate is designed by Google to prepare complete beginners for entry-level cybersecurity roles. Throughout the program, you'll learn how to identify security risks, protect networks, investigate cyber threats, and respond to security incidents. You'll also gain hands-on experience with Linux, Python, SQL, security information and event management tools, and other technologies used by cybersecurity professionals every day. One of the biggest strengths of this certificate is that it focuses on practical skills instead of just theory. You'll complete hands-on labs, portfolio projects, and real-world activities that help you build experience employers want to see. The program also prepares you for the CompTIA Security Plus certification, giving you another valuable credential if you decide to pursue it. Since this certificate is created by Google, it carries strong employer recognition and can help you qualify for entry-level roles like cybersecurity analyst or security operations center analyst. It's completely self-paced, and many learners finish the program in less than 6 months while studying part-time. Now here's something many people overlook. If you only purchase this certificate today but later decide to learn AI, data analytics, IT support, project management, Python, or other in-demand skills, buying each program separately can quickly become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter investment. With one annual subscription, you get unlimited access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top organizations. Right now, the Coursera Plus annual plan is 40% off, bringing the price down to just $239 per year, which works out to less than $20 per month for unlimited learning across thousands of career-focused programs. If you're serious about launching a cybersecurity career and want the flexibility to earn multiple industry-recognized certificates, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the current offer ends.